Premiere Editor 101, Editing video clips in Premiere. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software widely used in the film, TV, and online video industries. Here's a breakdown of its features, cons, known issues, fixes, and alternatives. Features *1. Timeline editing. Premiere Pro offers a robust timeline-based editing interface allowing for precise control over video and audio tracks. 2. Multicam editing, ability to edit footage from multiple cameras simultaneously. 3. Color correction and grading, comprehensive color tools for adjusting and enhancing the look of footage. 4. Audio editing, advanced audio tools for mixing, editing, and enhancing sound quality. 5. Effects and transitions, a wide range of built-in effects and transitions to enhance visual storytelling. 6. Integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, seamless integration with other Adobe products like After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition. 7. Collaboration tools, features for collaborating with team members including project sharing and version control. 8. Wide format support, supports a wide range of video formats and codecs. 9. GPU acceleration, utilizes GPU acceleration for faster rendering and playback. Cons *1. Steep learning curve, Premiere Pro can be intimidating for beginners due to its extensive feature set. 2. Subscription model, it's only available through Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription, which can be costly for some users. 3. Performance issues, users sometimes encounter performance issues, especially when working with high-resolution footage or complex projects. 4. Stability, Premiere Pro can be prone to crashing, particularly when working with large projects or using certain plugins. Known issues and fixes *1. Performance optimization, Adobe regularly releases updates aimed at improving performance and fixing bugs. Keeping the software up to date can help mitigate some issues. 2. Hardware acceleration settings, adjusting hardware acceleration settings in Premiere Pro preferences can sometimes resolve performance issues. 3. Clearing cache files within Premiere Pro preferences can help resolve stability issues. 4. Plugin compatibility, some crashes may be caused by incompatible third-party plugins. Disabling or updating plugins can often resolve these issues. Alternatives *1. DaVinci Resolve, a powerful video editing and color grading software, available in both free and paid versions. 2. Final Cut Pro, Apple's professional video editing software known for its intuitive interface and powerful features. 3. Avid Media Composer, a long-standing industry standard video editing software used in professional film and television production. 4. HitFilm Pro, offers a combination of video editing, compositing, and visual effects tools in a single package. 5. Lightworks, a feature-rich video editing software available in both free and paid versions. Each of these alternatives has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to evaluate them based on your specific needs and preferences.